Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cake and design easy guide. Start by gathering ingredients and preheating the oven to the correct temperature. Measure flour, sugar, eggs, and butter precisely. Choose a simple sponge or butter cake base and mix gently to preserve air. Bake until a toothpick comes out clean, cool fully, then apply a crumb coat before adding final frosting and decorations. Combine buttercream streaks and ganache drips to add texture and contrast. Always start with room temperature frosting. Use piping tips for borders and flowers, practicing pressure control for consistent results. For smooth finishes, rotate the cake on a turntable while scraping excess frosting with an offset spatula. Chill between layers to firm up designs and prevent sliding. Finish with edible glitter or fresh fruit for visual interest. Enjoy the process and experiment often. Plan your cake dimensions and tiers to fit the event and serve counts. Sketch ideas before starting. Mix colors using small amounts and test swatches on parchment to avoid wasting batter. Incorporate textures like ruffles, fondant patterns, or fresh flowers for focal points and contrast. Balance flavors with complementary fillings, such as lemon curd or chocolate ganache, to elevate the overall experience and satisfy varied tastes. Practice makes perfect. Enjoy creating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.